Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about yet another screen recorder for Windows 11, and this screen recorder comes with a integrated video editor as well, but the software that I'm going to show you in this video is very good and very well optimized for a low-end PC or PC with low-end specs. With the software, of course, you can record everything from lectures, from simply your screen or gaming. You can do whatever you want, and of course after you're done with your recording you can easily go into the video editor and edit your video. The software that I'm going to talk about is DemoCreator from Wondershare, and this software is a very good software that can help you create your videos very easily. You can download the free version from the link down below and try it out for yourself. But now let me show you how the software works. I'm going to simply open it, and when you open it you are greeted with this screen where you can start a new recording project. You can open up the video editor, you can screen record, you can use the virtual presenter, you can use the game recording section of course, and also you have the scheduled recording. I showed that a lot of screen recording software has this scheduled recording. I think this is the trend right now. And of course you have here the recent projects that you are using. Let's just go and start a new recording project to see how the software looks and how the interface looks. I'm gonna allow the access there, and as you can see it has a very interesting interface. We have the capture area. We can use a custom area. So for example, I'm gonna use the HD resolution. Then if we click on capture area we can select our own custom area, but I'm just gonna use the HD one, and from this thing you can move it along your screen. You have system audio, the microphone, you can select them of course. You have your webcam, which if you have connected on your computer it will be simply automatically selected here. Up here you have the option to go to editor and also to see more settings. So you have the general settings which you can personalize of course, where you want your save directory to be. I'm going to select it to be on desktop, and regarding video you can select the frame rate. You can also record it with 120 FPS per second, which is really nice, and I'm going to recommend you use the quality on high. I'm going to use also the 60 frames per second. You have also options regarding the webcam, and of course the hotkeys or the shortcuts that you can use on your keyboard to record on your screen. Let's just do a quick recording. I'm just going to start it. As you can see we have the classic countdown, F10 to stop, F9. Let's do something here. As you can see we have a few options. We can delete and re-record and recording and stuff like that. Let's just do something random here. Open up the settings from Windows 11 and stuff like that, and then we can close, and then I'm going to stop the recording, and as you can see the project will be automatically opened in the video editor, which is actually quite nice. And this is the video editor from Wondershare DemoCreator. We have a lot of options and a lot of settings to choose from. Of course I'm not going to go in depth. I'm just going to show you the basics and what you need to know, and of course you can go and download the free version and try it out for yourself. Now it's going to automatically import the media files, and as you can see we have here our recording with everything that we've done. Of course you can use the split option to split something. Maybe we don't like this, and just press the delete key to delete that section, and then you can rearrange everything in the timeline. Actually the design is pretty good in my opinion, and you have all kinds of effects, transitions that you can apply to your video. For example, I can apply this transition to here, and after I applied it you can see that the transition is successfully applied. We have annotations, of course, some classic video editing settings that you need to have on a video editor. We have captions, stickers, all kinds of filters that you can apply, sounds. I think this is really cool. And of course besides that you can do a voiceover, or you can edit your audio, do some effects on your audio. This is actually really good, and it could be a very good video editing software for beginners in my opinion. For now I'm just gonna test some few other options from this software to see what are the differences. For example, I'm not really interested in virtual presenter, but I'm really interested in game recording, because as a user I sometimes game myself, so maybe I want to record some gameplay sometimes. So just click on game recording and we will have the following options. We will have of course the classic system audio, microphone and webcam, but besides that we have select a game. So we will have here all the games or the windows that are currently running, and we can easily select them. Of course we have the same settings here if we want to do them, and we can easily record using the software. In my opinion this is a cool little software that you can use. It has a very minimalistic design as I like them, and you can use it to start recording and also editing your videos. It is a good software for beginners and also for people that don't have higher end PCs that can allow other kinds of software to run on their computers. As I've said, you can try out Wondershare DemoCreator using the link below, and let me know down below in the comments what's your opinion on this software. This was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. This is Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.